So Aoife, St. Patrick's Day special for us today.
Ooh,
all right?
that's good.
We're going to do a bacon and cabbage gratin.
Nice.
Very posh, isn't it?
Very posh
very
for
posh.
St. Patrick's Day.
You know, so we got bacon, obviously.
Yeah.
We got some leek.
Great.
We got some parboiled potatoes. And remember I said about the knife trick before?
Yes.
They're parboiled, see? Still, they're not fully cooked. So to get this started, I'm going to pop these with the bacon, because it's fatty. There's a little bit of fat in there. You don't need a lot of oil.
Okay.
All the way around. And then we're going to chop our leek.
Leek, great.
Nice little fine chop, because it's going into a pie.
I know, and they add such great flavour.
Oh, they're so healthy for you as well.
Yeah, absolutely. All of the onion family have got lots of benefits, you know.
And we need some cabbage in this. I think about 4 would be nice there, yeah? Now I'm going to pop the leeks in. I'll swap the parboiled potatoes.
Fabulous.
I want these just chopped into little slices.
Yeah.
You see, you can feel the resistance on it. You
Yes.
still need that, otherwise it'll just fall apart in you.
Okay.
So I'm going to take that out of it. So simple enough with this one. Just right out of there, bang. There's a nice little slice on this.
Okay.
So I'm going to. So we'll just go back this side again. Nice little bite-sized pieces you want.
Great.
And this we're going to wilt in the pan as well.
All right. It's great to see such colour, you know, with this.
Yeah.
I think that's key for me,
Lovely.
you know. The darker the leaf, the more vitamins and minerals packed into it, so.
With this,
Oh, yeah?
I've just lined a little bit of butter. There's only about 2-3 grams of butter in that.
Okay.
Okay. So we're going to line the bottom of this
Okay.
with the potato.
Oh, yeah. Okay,
Just
great.
one layer. Cloves here.
Love garlic.
It's really good for you as well.
Great anti-inflammatory properties, and, you know, research that says it helps lower cholesterol too, so
Really?
absolutely.
I need that. Get that into our pan. Just for the extra.
You can really throw anything into
anything
it, can't
you want.
you,
And I
really?
always
Yeah.
put the spinach in last. With some pepper. And again, because it's a pie, a little bit of salt. Cream. It's 200 mils of cream. And here I'm going to put some milk in as well. And let that just reduce right down. I'm going to put a layer on here of this. Right in here. That's a smoked bacon we used today, so you can actually smell it, can't you? Now we've got a layer of cheese. A little bit of cheese, just one little bit of cheese through it, all the way through. And then we can put some more potatoes on top of that again. We've got a tripled barreled.
Okay.
And this, remember, is probably a meal for 4 people.
Absolutely.
You know, and it's a main course
It's a
as
main
well.
course, yeah, exactly.
So we want it nice and filling. A little bit of butter on top to let it melt down. Again, there's about 20 grams of butter in total used on all of this.
Okay.
So we got our oven on at 200.
Okay.
This is going to pop into the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. So I think our gratin is ready.
Oh, great.
Yeah? Oh my God.
This is a great dinner on Patrick's Day.
This is a feast. It really is. It just comes up beautiful, and it's really, really warm. You can smell it coming right up in there. So I'd let it cool for a little while, and we can divide it up and maybe have some.